Okay, well, from vacation to volatility, oh my Lord. It's been a turbulent 24 hours on Wall Street. Investors are nervous. They're all biting their fingernails. Stock futures plunging overnight over the news of the interest rate hike, and we still don't know exactly when. There's rumor, but when is it going to be crystal clear? Let's check in with NewsNation business correspondent Marley. Kayden, watching the markets for us. Have you been able to take a break?
No, not since I started. It was quite a week to start as a business correspondent, right?
I'm so glad you're here.
Thank you. Like you said, overnight trading has been up, it's been down, it's been flat after the Federal Reserve finally commented on how it plans to fight inflation. Rate hikes are coming, but how big, how many, and when they'll come was less clear. The expectation for the first hike is in March at a quarter point. Market response has been extremely mixed, but we seem to be recovering this morning. We're opening in the green as I look at the markets. The Dow right now standing at 34,432. That's up just about 1%. As we take a look at the NASDAQ, we're up just about 1% there as well, and same on the S&P 500. So we're looking much better than we have looked. Part of the reason behind that is that two major economic indicators were released in the last hour. First, let's take a look at weekly unemployment numbers. As we look at the unemployment filings for this week, they're falling after hitting a 3-month high in the previous week. 260,000 people filed for unemployment in the week ending January 22nd, which was lower than expected. The drop signals that Omicron-related disruptions could be easing. COVID-19 variants have placed a constant drag on the labor market's recovery. GDP also came out this morning, and we're seeing a big boost into the green because of this one. The U.S. economy grew more than expected in the fourth quarter. The Commerce Department says that gross domestic product increased almost 7% from October to December. Economists had only forecast a gain of 5.5%. For the whole year of 2021, the economy grew close to 6% after we saw a 3.4% decline.
That's so much math. My head hurts.
It's a lot of math. Yes, Adrienne is having number overload. This is wonderful. If you look at your screen, we are up almost 6% in 2021 after being down just about 3.5% in 2020. That is the strongest GDP growth we have seen since 1984. I wasn't even alive then. We head into 2022 with uncertain footing, though, as experts predicting a deceleration in growth for the start of this year as Omicron is dampening hiring and further hindering the supply chain. Now, the fast food giant McDonald's will be rolling out 600 McPlant burgers, too. So if you're a vegetarian, that might be worth a try.
You don't even have to be a vegetarian. I want to try this thing. I've been seeing it in the UK McDonald's account. I follow you. I follow them on Instagram, and I would love to try this McPlant. It sounds delicious.
It stayed on par with sales with the Big Mac, if you can even believe that, Adrienne. So 600 stores are about to have it, and everybody's going to have a chance to try it if you live near one of those stores.
We need to bring them to Chicago right here. I have a feeling we can get them. All right, thank you, Marley. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click on the red subscribe button below so you can get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.